Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very nice 2022 Kubota LX3310 compact tractor loader with a very hard to find 72-inch belly mower deck. This tractor's in very nice condition. The guy kept the tractor itself inside. The loader he kept pulled off and set under an overshed. And the loader itself does have some sun fade on it. It's nothing horrible. The fenders don't show that at all. So that's why we kind of know what was going on there. We do know where the tractor come from. I do have all the books and manuals to it. It is a very nice, clean tractor. This tractor still has emissions warranty on it until 6/21 of 27, and it has powertrain warranty until 6/21 of 28. That is all transferable to the new owner. This does have the skid loader quick attach on it with the skid loader style quick attach bucket. We're going to start here underneath the hood, take you completely around this tractor. So up front on this tractor, we're going to have a folding grill guard. If I can talk tonight. It's Friday evening, it's been a long week. We're still making some videos here, trying to get caught up. Under the hood of this tractor is going to be powered by the Kubota V1505 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine in these. So everybody knows the story about the B3350s versus an LX3310. The 3350 was the tractor that no one wants because it was Kubota's first stab at those with emissions controls, and everybody knows the problems that they had with those. So what they've done is they went from a timing gear setup with the fuel injection pump to common rail on this 1505. And that's changed the game on these. These tractors here, I virtually see no issues with them. They're a great system. They work. And any guy out there tells you he's had problems, he's the guy that shuts it off in a cycle 40 times. So long story short with that, these are a great setup. Don't see any issues with them, and they're a great tractor. They truthfully are. It is a nice size tractor for mowing, doing some front end loader work and whatnot. So hope that educates some people on that anyhow. So again, we've done a complete and full service. We have changed engine oil, air filter, fuel filters, hydraulic or transmission hydrostatic filters, all changed and done. Up front, loader, very nice condition. Skid steer quick attach bucket. Cutting edge is very nice in the bucket. LA 535 quick attach loader. Underneath this tractor, it does have a beautiful 72-inch belly mower deck that is in very, very nice condition. We're going to show you all about that here in a second. Rear tires are loaded. Rear 3-point hitch, very nice shape. Drawbars with it, 540 PTO. Factory top link, SMV sign, toolbox, folding roll bar. Tractor again, if you can look past a little bit of paint fade on the loader, very, very clean, straight tractor. Under here, you're going to have 3 brand new blades on this mower deck. We went ahead and pulled the mower deck off, changed gearbox oil, went through it, made sure it was all good to go. Very, very nice deck. Coming up here on this tractor, you are going to see your controls. So up here on your controls, you're going to have 3-range hydrostatic transmission, so low, medium, neutral, and high. PTO in, out, as far as here for the engagement. And here you're going to have your PTO selection as far as your rear, mid and rear, or just mid, which I'll select that once I start it and change it to the mower deck. On the other side, you're going to have your full drive in and out. You are going to have your 3-point hitch and mower deck up and down. Coming over here, you're going to have your tilt steering column, which I'm going to go ahead and tilt that. 458 hours. We have no error codes, anything like that in the tractor. Hydrostatic pedal, independent brakes, locking differential, and your joystick loader control. So guys, you're buying a tractor, it does have a warranty on it. Obviously Powertrain is going to cover engine, transmission, hydraulics, and the emissions is going to cover that engine side of it. So I'm going to fire this tractor up, guys. We're going to run it around for you, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. Start out in low range. Now, I am going to go ahead here and I'm going to show you full drive work, full drive out. I like these tractors in which they steer. They're very agile as far as cutting around. That's what makes them so nice for mowing. Very nice tractor for mowing. Very nice tractor, honestly. obviously for around your property. It's big enough you can go do a lot of nice things with this tractor. This tractor today, you are in the almost $40,000 bracket, if not a little bit more, for this particular tractor today. Very nice size, will do a lot of work. So that's all three ranges we just showed you there. I'm going to go ahead and go back to medium range. So you can drop your mower deck down, 3-point hitch. And I'm adjusting my throttle there. So we're going to go ahead, we'll bump this mower deck in. And there it is, very nice, very quiet, 72-inch deck. Tilt steering column. And again, this is a very nice size little tractor. You can do a lot of work with this tractor. 5-foot brush hog, 5-foot stone rake, back blade, grader box. I mean, you can do a lot of different attachment stuff with this tractor. If you luck out and can find a BH77 backhoe attachment, you could do that. Turn signals 4 ways all work. Cruise control, park brake. Guys, just a very nice clean tractor. Keep in mind, guys, a tractor like this today, it's a pile of money, okay? We get guys all the time calling, you know, well, I'm looking at this, I'm looking at that. That's all fine. It's good as long as you're comparing apples to apples. We get a lot of guys that call in here and they want to compare an apple to a nut. That's just the way it is. Or apple to an orange, however you want to say it. I don't care. Whatever way you need to cut your cake, do it. But if you call me and you want to compare something, we better be comparing something that's similar product. We'll get a guy that'll call and want to compare this tractor's pricing to a tractor that's 10 years older or a tractor that has 2,000 hours. So I just don't play that game very well, and I don't mean that to be rude, but we have a lot of pride in what we do. We get through, we service stuff. I myself, in the past 2-3 weeks, done some traveling, run around, look at some different equipment, some different places, and I was from everywhere from Florida to the Pennsylvania, New York line. And, you know, it surprises me today. You go to some dealers, you know, and you look on their lot, and there's their traded in stuff that they have out for retail. None of the filters are changed. They don't grease anything. They don't clean anything up. The seats are tore. Oil leaks, just all kinds of stuff. And you're there like, you showing that stuff like that to a retail customer? And I don't know. We do something different here. I don't put something on our lot unless we're happy with it. Again, this is a nice used tractor. That's the business we're in, is nice quality used equipment. It's very hard to find today. Very nice stuff's hard to find. But don't come here and act like a jerk because I have something nice for sale to beat me down. Just skip that step, and I'm just being honest. Guys, you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Let us know. We'll be glad to help you. We take a lot of photos, and again, we take a lot of pride in what we do. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much. Check out our Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.